आप देख रहे हैं नेट्रिक न्यूज, साहस सच कहने का।
This event has been very regular every year. I have attended last time as Secretary Power, and before that once or twice I have come here as Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Coal to attend this. Mr. Rajnan ensures our presence always, and it's always good to come and interact with the different stakeholders. This program also was a very difficult program to carry electricity to such remote places. Once we connected all the villages, then within the villages there are many habitations and houses which were yet to be connected, and some of these remote areas in hills and deserts were very difficult to reach. But you will be glad to know one of the state which were the highest number second rather, I would say, Bihar, has completed the household electrification already by within 31st October.
First of all, as you all will be knowing that this is a very heartening journey to know that we have already electrified all the villages in the country, and by in all probability by 31st of December, every house will be electrified. And as we know that there is no other form of energy which is cleaner than electricity as far as the home is concerned. I think that's what the topic is saying. The clean energy in every home means we are going to provide electricity to every home, and that is the cleanest form. And that's where many of the steps what are being taken. One is improve the efficiency of the generation.
Greening the grid, definitely an initiative which is already being taken. A lot of renewable capacity is being planned, and Ujjwala Yojana, which has been very successful in the first phase, where LPG cylinders have been distributed. We will see over time how sustainable this is and how people come for refueling, which is already coming up as an issue, but time will tell. CGD again being a successful round, but only over 8 to 10 years we will see the impact of this.
Shakti is there. I mean, if people have PPAs, they can always get coal. No, that was for the plants which had PPAs. For other plants which do not have PPAs, it's already available. They can take the linkage under Shakti and then look for PPAs in 2 years time frame. So all possibilities have been taken care of under Shakti.
हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को दबाएं। नेट्रिक न्यूज की खबरें सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।